Damn, dude. What are we doing, Jay? Welcome back. Are you gonna use the same one? This? The plywood?
Oh, yeah. Fuck, it's not shit way.
Cause this one is hella rusted because of the water because it kept raining.
I mean, I can change it real quick.
You think it'll start up, bro? It's all rusted.
I mean, you can just change it quick.
Oh yeah, well we're gonna have to use that one. This one is fucked up. Or isn't there like a spray that takes off the rust?
Okay.
We should go get that so we can.
Hey, should we go get the torta right now?
Yeah. I'm fucking hungry.
Fuck, wait.
It is. Don't get you. Stop by and get some food real quick. Hey, we got our food now. What the fuck? This is motor mine.
The burger, no.
Did they give us sauce or not? No sauce?
It has sauce.
Check this shit up.
Fat ass minis. Mukbang.
Mukbang's for real. Bro, I know you guys could taste it through the fucking camera. Look at this. How's it looking, dude?
Fire.
What's the goal today? For today? To get the engine in or not?
Get the shit running, bro.
Nah, we're just gonna prep it so we could just drop it in and start connecting shit and get that shit running.
I lost it. We gonna eat, bro.
We gonna eat. Gotta get fight.
One by only, you know the rule.
The only torta I will have. That's fire or not? Y'all ever in town? This is Bakery Deli for sure. We're gonna head to AutoZone now. Get some sprays and let's see what else we need. But it's down the street either way, so it's cool. Oh, I'm full, bro. We made it to Chafa Zone. Chafa Zone. What? Contact cleaner.
What we need?
Oh, that's the cruiser? You should take like two-way. There's 2 to 12.
Oh, come up. What else?
Well, something to clean the engine. We made it back.
You feel that shit?
What happened?
Look at that.
What? It's gonna leak right now. I mean, it look good. What?
Might as well change, right?
Yeah, look at that bird. Just singing.
Fuck that fool. Alright. That shit not going in.
You're gonna penetrate it, bro. Oh, you just cramped up. Sacó una silla, güey.
Fucking heat, bro.
You already done, G?
Yeah, I'm done, bro. Yeah, no. The sun went up. That shit melted that fast. Like.
I know, it's hella hot. This shit melted super fast. It's pretty hot outside. We got that shit out. We got that shit out finally. Huh?
I scratched the fuck out of that.
What? Right there? It went all the way in?
No, they want to go all the way in. Just scratch the fucking metal. It's okay, it's got a little clean.
WD-40 never fails, bro. Where? Oh, right there?
That's fun.
Nada, huh? We just tickled it.
You get the fast light? You can see the inside of the transmission wheel. That shit might be rusted. Or the fucking crank. My fault, man. It's just heat. Shine a light, it looks fucking oxidized, bro.
I gotta go get the.
That's gonna be cooked, boy. You think that shit'll start, bro? I think you let it sit too long, bro. Comment down below if his car will start. First try. He had bought this engine like what? Maybe like almost 2 years ago. And then he's been having it sit right here. And so through the seasons, the rain, the moisture, the sun, started rusting it and molding it. But hopefully the inside is still fresh enough. Hopefully, but it looks. I don't know. You guys can't see.
It's chilling, you see?
It's chilling. Oh yeah.
Chilling.
I was gonna tell you to spray some brake cleaner in there, but it's gonna mix with the oil. So just get like a little rag, clean it.
Yeah.
You gonna fly hit you?
I think I do.
O una cabeza plana.
Oh, bro.
Bro, I think we fucked up, bro. Look how this shit is.
Where the fuck is it?
Right here is like smooth and like aligned. Right here is fucking folded. And I think we made a hole there because we're trying to pull it back up. We pushed it in too hard. And I'm scared to fucking pick it out because it's gonna rip it. It's supposed to look like that. Fuck it. Shut. It's fucking beaming here. Bruh.
Handle, bro. What handle? What we need?
We gotta clean all this shit off though. Yeah, that was small.
Where's the safety glasses at, bro?
Where they at? OSHA not approved. That shit's old already, way.
No warranty, man.
No, but spray fucking
Hold up.
all that metal shit is gonna go in your ears. I mean your fucking eye.
Where we gonna go?
Spray some spray, bro.
Spray some spray?
Does WD-40 clean rust or not?
Me no know. Bro, so we bought these shit for no reason.
Nah, it doesn't take off rust. It protects against rust. Spray some what is it called? Alcala fierro.
Damn, this look clean.
Yeah, you gotta do it. I guess this is what we're doing for the rest of the day.
I guess we gotta clean, bro.
Well, I've been cleaning the rust off. Looks better. Doesn't look as rusty.
It smells like it.
Just have some parts here. Just cleaning the old flywheel. We're gonna reuse the flywheel because this one is way rusted. One step closer, but
Yet again, one step further.
Sheesh. It's fucking hot, bro.
Fuck.
Y'all fuck with the safety glasses from Gio?
Yo, Ugly, sponsor us.
I don't think Oakley will see this video.
Well, this shit has lock time.
Ooh. Well, gonna go home now. It's fucking hot. It's fucking burning. The AC doesn't work no more on this car. I have to fix it. Need probably a new condenser for sure. Probably a compressor. Then I think the switch behind the dashboard is stuck. Yeah. So windows down. But roll the next clip. What is up is the next day after helping Gio. Didn't do that much. We just went to the gym after. I think that was the last clip. And then today we have quite something planned. Right now I'm gonna go help my dad with his like new cage he wants to build for our roosters, nuestros gallos, and I think we're gonna clean up. I don't know, we're just gonna set up because there's rats trying to get into my dad's birds cages. So we're gonna head over to the ranch right now, and then I'll film some stuff and some animals. But I'll catch you guys there. Nice day out here. They're almost done with that. Just need a it's the whole quarter on. But let's see what's up with Sky. Sky. Yeah. ¿Qué es? ¿Bolas? Una olla. ¿Quieres? Uy, ¿qué te pasó hoy? ¿Quieres más? Rápido. It's a beautiful day here. Cheese. Espérate. Like who we got here? Hello. ¿Ya nos brava?
¿Eh?
¿Ya nos brava?
Sí.
Back, bro. Use the camera, bro. It's here. Hey. Hello. Oye, ¿empezaste?
¿Vale?
¿Ya la empezaste?
Sí, ya está. Ya están los cuernos, vamos a cortar ese árbol.
Oye, ¿habías metido esas ahí?
Sí. Pero mira,
¿Qué?
mira toda la primera como que algo vino, como que los quiso comer.
¿Son de ellos?
Pues no creo, porque no saben si comieron una paloma.
¿Los gallos?
No, o algo, un gavilán vino a comer, quererse comer una paloma.
Pues sí, eso no parece de su... de ellos. No,
Pero
pues está allá adentro, ¿eh?
Sí, mira. Pero dice, se ve, mira.
Pues se ve en blanco.
No está desplumado también, mira.
O a lo mejor que ya tenía un pájaro ya matado y nomás se lo vino a comer aquí.
No sé, no entiendo. Y pues ahí están todos los pájaros.
Es como crecen bien rápido. Es como crecen bien rápido. ¿Ya le echarían de comer a eso? ¿Y eso es que de afuera? Hello. That one looks cool.
Mira. Sí.
Pero, ¿cómo acaba de haber ahí un gavilán?
No sé.
Pues, ¿cómo está más grande el gallo, no?
Sí,
Que un gavilán.
sí, pero...
A ver si le está cayendo.
No, sí, como que está tirando pluma, ¿eh? No, a lo mejor sí. Sí, loco.
Solo va a sacar los dos y luego lo hacemos la jala aquí mejor.
Y para arreglarlo, y acomodar el jam.
Tenemos que limpiar ahí rápido. Se escucha como si la matara. Se escucha como si la matara.
Aquí en ese árbol está echado una pata.
¿Y ese sonido que le hiciste?
Sí,
¿Sí se echan?
sí, sí, vete. Ahí en ese árbol está echada una paloma de las verdes. Mira, ve su anillo. Y aquí está. Está bien bonito. Trae su anillo. Aquí está.
¿Y eso fue qué?
¿Es de dónde viene?
Ah. Cálmate. ¿Por qué? ¿Eh?
No, ese sí.
Te tienes que cortar sus...
Sí, así ya lo ocupo. Ve.
Está bien filoso.
Sí.
¿Pero qué usas? ¿Corta uña o...?
No, con la cegueta.
¿O no que quería salir o qué?
Sí, pues, se calma. El más ocupa cariño también. ¡Ey! ¡Ey!
¿Te quiere picar?
Sí, pues mira. Pero ya lo acaricia y todo se va acostumbrando. Mira.
Está loco.
Mira.
¿Te duele?
Sí, pues sí, mira. Te marca. Voy a poner aquí a un lado.
¿Para qué? ¿Para que lo conozca o qué?
Pueden estar así, sí.
¿No?
Si en la de las peleas los ponen jaula para así por jaula.
We're about done. Ya casi acabamos. Ya se entierró todo. Yeah. ¿Por qué hacen eso? ¿Cómo que se va a mentir? Está muy alto la comida, ¿no? ¿Qué? We're basically finished now. They're just exploring their new home. Right. This is probably the last clip of the ranch. See what was next. But it took us like what, 2 hours? Pulled up with Adrian, and then my girl's heading over here, but we parked on the side because we're too low, and then there's the terrain. We'll not clear that, but there she sits. We brought Apollo, aka Bolillo. They're gonna have fun cleaning him up. Hey! So what's up to the vlog?
Bro, tell us what's up.
Hold on. Oh, he got what's up for us.
It's crashing out.
You gonna see if it's cold or not. It's just nice. Nice water. Yeah?
This is the warmest I've ever felt.
Because it's a bay, it's not an actual beach. It's because it's not open ocean, you know what I mean?
You're a stinky dude, bro.
It's because think of it of a big pool. Apollo looks like a little kid. Ah. It's like a shark. Hey, Darren and Sam pulled up. Yo nunca hubiera traído mi typewriter.
Es lo mismo que que yo nosotros pensé. Que qué bueno que no trajiste el typewriter.
Si apenas si cupo el cero. Nah, pero sí hubiera
La
cabido.
María se quería saltar esa banqueta de allá
No
para.
mames.
¿Sabes cómo le iba a hacer? Tracas, hijos.
Mira el pinche Darren si cupo. Y también el Sam, no mames.
Fácil, no fácil.
¿Y ya se deshizo?
¿Quién andaba pasando? Si me lo trago, amigo, en vez de poquillo. Nos van a pasar todos. ¿Con la positiva? Hoy sí.
Ahí está trabajando su primo.
¿Quién?
Why'd you bring shoes? Fucking
I had to return some shoes.
Are you gonna get in or what?
No.
Yeah. Bro, it's fucking warm as shit.
It's cold. Feels good. Back. It's hotter back there.
We barely got up to get in, man. Barely what? Got up to get in.
Oh,
Oh, like decided to get in. Just fucking waiting for you to get in. Alright, I'm gonna get you guys an underwater shot. Let's see. What'd you guys see? What do you think they saw? You taking a fat massa?
Okay, I looked at whipped it out for a little bit. So.
What the? The high in fiber.
What's your raspberries?
Look at strawberries.
Stop yelling.
You're making me mad.
What
Sorry, I'm practicing.
the?
Practicing for what?
Ride the wave. Catch a wave, bro.
You created a wave.
Bruh. Let's go more.
She's drowning me.
She has a fucking pump. But we're tall. There you are.
Bro, I'm advertising next to it.
Why are you taller than me?
Bro, if I touch a piece of seaweed, bro. Oh, I touched it.
Oh, hell no. Look at all that seaweed.
I guess that makes sense. Hi vlog. Fuck vlog.
The fuck
That was me.
Get up.
He's mugging here right now? We're watching live mugging.
Live vlog. Live
Watching live execution.
Las Vegas, man.
Hey, we'll get there by 12. Hey, code, what's the code now? It's 3838.
Nah, we're like at 90.
505. You get that reference?
I get that.
I think we've added digits now, so it's 490.
I think she just keeps it open now for the party. I was gonna say something. Fuck you.
Hey.
Oh.
The girl.
Oh. We should do This Is Us before we go into Iran. Deploying to Iran. We're about to get deployed, bro.
This is us before getting deployed to Iran. Actually makes it. What do you need?
Yes, it does.
Beef bone.
Huh?
Depending, and then for the meat, whatever meat you want.
You just
Mervin, that's me.
broth, right? What about? Can I use Mervin's that's me? If you know, you know. If you know, you know.
If you know, you
If you
know.
watch the video, what we got?
Yeah, if you watched the Las Vegas video, you know, you know.
So what's the place called?
Fuck van.
Fuck man.
Fuck ban.
No, there's
Fuck ban.
Fuck man.
Fuck van.
Isn't there a fun place called Fucking?
Yeah, fuck.
There's actually
I think it's called-
a place called
I've only eaten there once.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's okay.
How much is it right there at Fuck man? Hey, Van be taxing though, bro. How much is it per plate?
Van's a cheap
Nah,
one.
I took
18 to 20.
Damn. Man, that shit doesn't fill you up. You gotta get like egg rolls.
Agua.
It doesn't fill you up?
The
Oh,
one,
what? Wait, what order did you get? Number, if you get the number 1, that will fill you up.
Yeah, you
Plus 7 cow is pretty good.
You ever been there? What is Plus 7 Cow?
Plus 7
Express? No.
Candy cane. It's,
I don't want that.
You're not cool?
No, I don't want it.
Esta cobija no la he lavado desde hace
Hey, you got you a Montclair too.
I don't want it. I was kidding. I'm not cool. So what?
Qué idiota.
We're gonna down salt and pepper wings.
Well, we should do an eating challenge.
That's what we're gonna do in a bit.
We should do a spicy bulldog.
Hey, now let's leave at 8 or 7:30 so we can order the salt and pepper wings. Cause they close at 9.
Let's leave right now, bro.
Okay, I'll call them because I'm Chinese. They'll be like, okay, we stay till.
Bro,
He said it.
you literally said yourself up, man. That is a camera.
It's okay.
You're not beating the allegation?
I'm Asian.
You're not beating the gate. I mean, the Chinese allegation.
Oh, wow.
I need at least an hour to shower that dude.
They call it agua.
I come with agua. When you're off Juneteenth, just shower him Juneteenth. You're good.
Likes to see one.
Oh.
We got my cousin here now.
So
It's just for the video. But he's gonna spend like almost a month now. Here.
like 2 weeks, 3 weeks.
2 weeks, 3 weeks. So we got content for you guys. Hey, you gotta salute him, bro. Bro.
Yeah, man, I'm a sergeant major.
Throw a break.
I'm ranked 56 in COD, right? Prestige like 6 times.
Alright, hop in. What are you doing? Bro, he was walking away. He's about to go on to stage 3.
Record him driver ball.
Yeah, he's doing stage 3.
I'm sorry. Record him shifting. But pick up this fool too. Fuck it.
Is that you?
You're third man. And on sport. Oh shit. I got a shift.
Making it in the detective.
Where? Keep it going straight.
What'd you think, bro?
Huh?
What'd you think? You ready to get your Integra running?
Hell yeah.
By the way, he got a free Integra, bro. Who the fuck gets a free Integra?
Bro, I had like randomness. I just was like, can I get the car if I put the engine in? He's like, yeah.
Bro, you know the free Integra he got had like 2 B series in the trunk?
Well, 3 actually. It had 2 B20s and then a B18.
Damn.
Oh my bad, there. I had to fucking tell you to take left.
Oh shit.
My fucking phone was talking to
Yeah.
Yeah. This is shit why I'm grateful for living in San Diego, bro. Imagine we live in San Diego.
They probably have this somewhere else.
They don't. People come from like up north to try this shit. I'll be for real. It's just fucking good.
Oh, I'm gonna use their bathroom. That's for
You gonna blow this shit up?
Drive it back. Drive it back.
Open the door.
You feel like my idling is going on? Only in my
Oh, I heard it right now.
yeah, when I just pulled up. Then that.
I don't know why my car is doing that. It's after I changed my injector.
Bro.
So what happened?
He did us pay $263 for a 100 piece and a fucking tray of rice.
Yeah, it was somebody else's order.
Bro.
No, it wasn't. It was your orders. They just put it double.
Oh shit.
So it was their fault?
So yeah, it was their fault.
So they misheard.
Yeah.
Okay, so here's the thing. I think the guy is not there, but usually there's a guy who speaks fluent English. Yes, but good thing they're nice. Like, okay, so when it comes to like fresh off the boat Asians, they always sound mad.
I get the money
But
back. I get the money back.
Already? That fast?
Yeah.
Damn, the money back that fast. I thought you were gonna
like
get like
that.
1-2 business days.
No, I got the money back.
Damn.
They got Chinese hackers.
What the
yeah, they're nice.
Oh yeah, because currently whenever you spend something on your account, right, it's still pending till.
Yeah, so maybe it got canceled.
Yeah, they
Yeah.
canceled it, so that pending went.
Oh, it didn't go through on
fine,
fully?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
How do you like your house to the left, right?
Right now the house will go. You need to always.
Left or right? Left or right?
Right. Damn, but look at this shit. So I know you guys fucking mouth was watering.
Just fucking good, bro. I'm gonna put you.
Well, back to the house.
I'm struggling.
Check this shit out, bro.
Bro, I really believe 263, bro.
Oh,
I was doing the math in my head. I was like,
how much was it gonna be?
Honestly, I thought I fucked up because when I called, I thought she was asking if I wanted a big tray, small tray.
Yeah, she was asking.
I was like,
she was
oh,
going back and forth.
I just wanted one small order,
Yeah.
but I thought she.
I think she added it on, huh?
Yeah, I thought she heard it. She heard one big ass tray.
Yeah.
So then when I called, I was like, oh, I fucked up. I guess we gotta eat a lot of lo mein. But then,
Oh, there's shrimp in here.
You don't like that?
No, I don't like fish.
Bruh.
It's fine, I'll still eat it. I won't eat the shrimp.
Huh?
how much was that on me? That's separate.
I think it was like
Well, I don't know.
It was
55. How much is the 55 piece? 70?
88.
That's 88?
You see what happened?
This is Carlos on it.
88 plus whatever that is. That's like what, 30 bucks maybe?
No, that shit was 30 bucks, bro.
Well, what's
No, I
88?
think it was 16.
Why are you vlogging this? It's not even interesting.
Yes, it is. Everybody's laughing right now.
Wanna make the final cut?
It's not that funny.
Wait, let me check.
Pray for her, guys. She's dying
All of
already.
your vlog is gonna be
Hey, who paid though? Who paid actually?
Yeah, we don't have to go.
I gotta do it. Trust this, bro.
Put there now.
Oh, hell no.
Bro, trust.
I tried to
Tell me what this tastes like, bro.
I tried to defend your honor, bro, but that shit was good.
Let me put you on, bro. Trust, bro.
He's like, what the fuck is
And then
this?
tell us what it
This,
tastes
bro,
like.
this is a moment.
I think it was beef stew.
This beef stew too.
How's that shit, bro?
This is a moment in history. Pretty fire.
Yeah?
Like it.
This is one of the moments.
How's it?
How's your food?
I can't start laughing.
Damn, that's a pretty good amount.
There's about 24 options of MREs.
You try that shit there?
Yeah.
Is it this Chris?
You are not bad,
He
bro.
hit the van, bro.
It's good.
What does it taste like?
The sauce?
Yeah.
King.
Put you on, man.
But is it? Do you approve? Cambodian approval?
Like, nah.
I'm gonna be honest, no.
Like your family kill you?
Maybe it's because this one it has a lot of salt on it. It's really salty.
Bro, I heard from cars. This man said, "Oh, you import babies and shit." What the fuck?
What kind of car is that?
We're gonna import vans, bro. Nah, car.
Yeah,
bro.
we'll sell a van on black market.
Damn, van like that.
Bro, I just
You'll get a lot of money for his fat ass head.
Is that the rate right now?
For a kidney, yeah.
What?
200,000.
How fuck
Where
you
at?
know that?
Anywhere.
Anywhere. Just go to like a regular hospital and just go. They'll give me 200,000. 200,000.
Probably more.
I thought it
No.
was 20, no? 20,000?
No, it's
It's
200,000.
200,000?
They
Yeah.
probably pay more on the black market though.
What about testicles?
That's a mil.
Did that?
No, yeah, bro, you're lying. Actually, sorry. An inch of your testicles is a million.
An
inch? An inch.
That's it?
That's it.
Or your whole
Well,
fucking
that's all that
testicle.
fool has. What the
I
fuck?
only have one follower.
How do you know he has?
Yeah, how do you know, bro?
You have to kill him.
They got basically that's the biggest one there.
Keep your homie in check.
Give your homie a dick.
Bro, we should
You live with him.
have dropped off Darren at the hospital in Vegas, bro.
Why?
He was off the Henny. He wasn't gonna feel anything.
Oh, like that?
Damn. Look, we want big, we want big.
You say you can't handle your alcohol.
Like, where's my huevo?
Mama huevo?
Mama, huevo.
He just said, "Hey, Darren, we're gonna go get full, bro." He's like, "Oh."
You would've woke up. You would've woke up fast. Yeah, you can't handle your alcohol.
Hey, you missed the chacaroni, bro.
That shit was good.
I literally told him, I was like, hey, this pizza in like 5 minutes. He's like, I'll be down there.
You saw the
Then he
vlog,
came.
bro.
Bro, I just wanted to sleep.
Why, bro? That shit was.
No, honestly,
We could've kept
I think I was planning on taking a nap, waking up, and then going down.
But you just
But I
knocked
just-
out.
Me and Andrew could have kept going. Hey, what? You got anything you word on something? I mean, we'll go to the fair.
Yeah.
He said it.
Hey, just man.
Bye, Adrian. I love you. Later. Hello. Fucking homophobic and racist as fuck. Back to you. Yo, you. Alright, fuck it. Alright. Hey, close out the vlog, Murph.
Alright, bro.
And today we're out.
Take this out there.
Bye. Bye. Hey, say hi to your viewers. Share.
Oh, that was so...
That's crazy.